Back in the garage on this Monday night, I primed the top part of the quarter panel a little bit below the body line up. Going to block it all down and reprime it. That should be the last time it gets primer. Got the rocker panel in primer. Got the cow screen panel on this side. Got it, half of it in primer. Do the other side when I turn the car around. Got the bottom of the door in primer. Do some sanding on it tomorrow night. And I'll seam seal it. And then I'll prime over the seam sealer. And the door will be done. We put in a few extra hours tonight. Have the outside of the door blocked, ready for its final coat of primer. Underneath side of the door is sanded. I've started blocking on the quarter panel, and I've started blocking on the cow panel. We got the door. I'm going to take the door with me tomorrow. I think we're going to go ahead and paint this door. Be one less thing we got to paint. I'd like to thank everybody for watching